In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Drive download quota exceeded for this file error. This is a common issue that many users encounter when trying to access a popular or large file that has surpassed its daily download limit on Google Drive. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround to ensure you can still access these files by making a copy to your own Google Drive account. To get started, the first step is to open the Google Drive file link in your browser. You can do this by clicking on the provided link, which will direct you straight to the file on Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll see the file laid out in front of you on the Drive interface. Now look for the Google Drive icon, which you'll use to open the file in preview mode. This provides a closer look at the file and gives better viewing options. Simply click on the icon and the file should open within the Google Drive interface in preview mode. Once in preview mode, navigate to the File option on the menu. This is typically located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on File and then select Make a Copy. At this point, a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to choose the destination folder for your copy. Ensure you select the My Drive folder as the destination to keep it within your own Google Drive account. Once selected, click OK to confirm this step. By making a copy of the file to your own drive, you essentially create a duplicate of the file that is independent from the original, thus bypassing the download quota limitation associated with the initial file. This is because the new copy is wholly yours, hosted in your own Drive account. Now that the copy is safely stored in your Google Drive, navigate over to My Drive. Here, you will easily find the copied file. Since the file is now owned by your account, you can download it freely without worrying about hitting the quota limit that initially blocked you from accessing the file. This method works effectively because it isolates the file from the original's restricted access, making it fully manageable within your own storage space. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly manage, copy, and download files from Google Drive even when the original file has exceeded its quota limit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate any future issues with downloading files from Google Drive. If you found this walkthrough useful, be sure to share it with others who might find themselves in a similar predicament.